17 comma 19 because 7, 11, 13 goes in the same way. Divisibility rule for 17 comma 19. Divisibility rule for 17 comma 19. Now see here. Reminder 1. 10 power 8 divided by 17 is minus 1. Please write down that point. Reminder 1. 10 power 8 divided by 17 is minus 1. Now this is based upon reminder 1. 10 power 16 divided by 17 is 1. This is a Fermat's theorem. A power p minus 1 divided by p is always 1. If it is 1, 10 power 16 is 1, 10 power 8 will be either minus 1 or plus 1. Because 10 power 8 whole square is 10 power 16. X square is 1 means x will be minus 1 or plus 1. In this case it happens to be minus 1. See the proof.
Can we generalize and say?
Huh?
Can we generalize that it will be either minus 1 or 1?
Definitely, right? If I square it, 10 power 16 whole square is nothing but 10 power 8 divided by 17 whole square is 1. This number a square is 1. What will be a value? Minus 1 or plus 1?
So then 2 power 6 by 31 remainder is 1, right?
2 power?
2 power 5 by 31 remainder is 1.
1.
Now take 2 power 6 by 63.
2 power 6 by
63 is 1. Then can we say 2 power 3 by remainder of 2 power
No,
3?
for what problem that we are solving? If it is 16, I am doing it for 8. You tell the same analogy like that.
Yeah, so remainder of 2 power 3 by 63.
Which one? 2 power 3 by 63.
It should be 1 or minus 1, but it is.
We are doing when the denominator is a prime number. We are taking a composite number. I will tell you a few more examples so that you will understand. 10 power 6 divided by 7. What it is? 1. 10 cube divided by 7. Minus 1. 3 power 4 divided by 5. 1. 3 square divided by 5. Minus 1. You take that examples. Right? No, in fact, we are discussing something which is not required. We will prove whether it is minus 1 or plus 1. That's much more easy, right? Instead of we writing that it has to be minus 1, we will check what is happened. 10 power 8 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. Minus 7. 7 power 8 divided by 17. 7 power 8 is 7 cube whole square into 7 square divided by 17. 343. 17 twos are 343. 3 square is a 9. 49 divided by 17. 17 twos are 34. 15. 15 nines are 135. 17 eights are 136 minus 1. I am saying because of Fermat's theorem, if it is 1, this may become minus 1 or may become plus 1. That's my point. Here it became minus 1. Now, is it clear? Right? 10 power 8 divided by 17 is minus 1. Now, where it is used? This is a question. This is little above cat level, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 17. Can I write it like this? A reminder of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 power 8 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 17. What is 10 power 8 by 17? Minus 1. What is minus 1 plus 1? 0. Any 8-digit number written even number of times is always divisible by 17. Please write down.